In the last video, I have seen about protected data member and functions, right? In this video, we will see private access specifiers. Private access specifiers. You know what is private access specifier and how to call that private access specifier. So the scope of this private access specifier is within the class, only within the class. If I want to access that private data member or a function outside the class, so we can call that syntax is different, that we have seen already in the previous video, right? But now I am showing another example. With this example, see, already we have created this example for protector, right? Change these protected data members into private. For that, what I need to use? Double underscore. For protected, you have used single underscore, right? Here you can use double underscore. These variables are private data members or private variables. Got it? So here also you can use double underscore and double underscore. Okay. Now here also we can call double underscore roll number and double underscore branch. So here what I have done, I have created private data members, then created constructor to initialize the private variables, then I have created private function, private access specifier function or private member function we can say. Okay, directly I can say display all the details. Okay, I'm changing from here, you can observe display details. Display details. Okay, within that I'm trying to access the name. So this also I can write inside of this class. So first I'm trying to initialize the values. I'm trying to call this method double underscore we should give. Okay, so that means I'm trying to access the private data members in the private function. Okay, next I'm creating one public method. Okay, I created one public method here. So the function name I'm changing here for better understanding. def access private function. Okay, within this public member function, I'm trying to call that method. What is that method name? The method name is display details. Display details. That should have the double underscore because this is a private function, right? Okay, so that means I'm trying to access private member function here. Okay, next I created object for this student class. I created an object for this student class. So I have passed some values like name, roll number and branch. Then how you can call, what is that public method name which is available in the student class? Access private function we have called, right? Now you can execute. Control S, already we have saved. Then for run you can use shortcut F5. So name, roll number, branch, we got it. For the point, so we have created private data members, private member function means private function or private method, sorry, private, this is constructor. Okay, then we have created private function or private member function or private method. Then I'm using public method to call that private data members and method. So now I'm trying to call this display method in this public method. First, for executing this all, we have to create an object for student class. The object name is obj. Within this, I'm passing 3 values. Those are name, roll number, branch. Then reference means object name dot. We are calling this function access private function. So here in this function, you have called private member function. So here it will call this private member function. Within this, we are trying to access private data member, private variables name, roll number and branch, which we have initialized here. Those we can access here through init method. We have initialized already, right? While you are creating object with these values, means we are calling init method and we are initializing these values here. Got it? So now we can access these values in the display details method. That's what in the output we can see. Got it? Means these private variables are private access specifiers, means private data members and member functions we can call within the class only. Outside the class, if you are trying to access, it will throw exception, it will throw error. And if you want to call that private data member or method, we have another syntax, that is object name dot single underscore class name double underscore variable name or in method name, that we have seen, that is called name handling process. Okay, that's what here we can see next topic in the next session.